Anthropic just dropped their most powerful AI ever today. It's called Claude Fable 5, and it can think, plan, finish a month-long project by itself in just days. Here are the 5 things you need to know right now, and stay until number 5 because that one tells you exactly how you can benefit from this. I want to break this down super simply, just the 5 things that actually matter and what they mean for you. Number 1, what is Claude Fable 5? So what even is Fable 5? Think of it like this. You know how a regular AI answers one question at a time? Like texting a friend who gives you one answer, then waits. Fable 5 is different. It thinks before it answers, it plans, it checks its own work, then it gives you the best possible answer. Anthropic calls this adaptive thinking. It means the AI automatically decides how hard to think depending on how hard your question is. Simple question, fast answer. Hard problem, thinks deeper, gets it right. And you can't even turn it off. It is always working for you. That's Fable 5. Okay, so that's what it is. But what makes it different from everything before it? Number 2, why is it bigger than any Claude before it? Here's what makes Fable 5 different from every other Claude model. Before this, the best Claude model was Opus 4.8. Fable 5 sits above it, higher than anything Anthropic has publicly released. But here's the part that's why. Fable 5 is the public version of a secret model called Mythos, which Anthropic has been testing only in a tiny group of trusted companies since April. They couldn't give everyone access to Mythos because it was too powerful and needed extra safety checks. So Anthropic built Fable 5, same brain as Mythos, but with safety guardrails added. Think of it like this. Mythos is the sports car with no speed limiter. Fable 5 is the same sports car but street legal. Same engine, way safer for everyone to use. So it's the most powerful public model they have ever made. But what can it actually do? Number 3, what can it actually do? Let me give you the real list of what Fable 5 handles. It can read and understand 1 million words at once. That's like reading 4 Harry Potter books in one go. It can work on a project for days without stopping. Not hours, days. Planning every step by itself. It can look at charts, diagrams, tables, inside PDFs and actually understand what they mean. It can write, check and fix code across hundreds of files at the same time. It can use tools like search and memory, all inside the same conversation. One company used an earlier version of this to write an entire coding language from scratch. 98% of their tests passed. That's what it can do. Now, who actually gets to use it and how? Number 4, who can use it right now? Here's the access breakdown. Really simple. Pro plan, you get it free until June 22nd. Max plan, same, free until June 22nd. Team plan included, enterprise included. API developers available right now as Claude Fable 5. After June 22nd, you will need usage credits on some plans. But right now, you can open Claude today and try it. One important thing though, because Fable 5 thinks so deeply, it can take a little longer to respond than old model. That's not a bug. That's the AI actually thinking harder for you. Okay, so you've been waiting for number 5. Here it is. Number 5, how you can benefit from this. This is the one I told you to wait for because most people will hear new AI model and think, okay, that's for developers, not for me. But here's what is actually happening. Fable 5 is not just for coders. It is for anyone who has hard, long, complicated work. If you're a student, it can help you research and understand topics at a level no AI could do before. If you run a business, it can analyze your documents, your contracts, your data, and tells you exactly what matters. If you are a creator, it can help you plan, write, and build entire projects from a single idea. The shift that's happening right now is this. Before Fable 5, AI could help you do things faster. After Fable 5, AI can handle the whole thing, start to finish on its own. That's not a small upgrade, that's a completely different kind of tool. If this information was valuable, subscribe and watch this video next to get the latest updates on AI.